guys, how's it going? April 2014. One thing I wanted to talk about for all the salesmen and marketers out there, were you working at a booth or a kiosk in an event or at a professional sports game or in the mall, wherever you're doing, real quick about a deposit or asking for the sale. In the timeshare game, we ask for the deposit, right? And all the OPCs out there know that. One thing I know that probably you've heard before is when they say, you tell them, yeah, we take a reservation, blah, 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 you guys get it back. Well, they don't say anything right up front, right? But then when you actually get to the money and they say, oh, we have to pay that today, don't pause. Don't wait. As soon as they say that, say, yeah. But it doesn't really matter. You get that back anyway. As soon as you say that, boom, it's going to break them. And they're going to cough it up. No problem, because it's not a big deal. If it's not a big deal to you, it shouldn't be a big deal to them. So if they pause and ask you, oh, we have to pay that, oh, we got to pay that today? I didn't think we had to pay that today. Yeah, but you guys get that back. Always give them the yeah. So today's tip, give them the yeah. After they pause and ask, and it's golden. You're going to get the deposit, you can get the reservation, and hopefully get them to show so you can hit your bonus and you can buy that organic chicken, not the pesticide one, GMOs, okay? God bless, peace and blessings. Just wanted to talk to you today about some sales tips, especially the timeshare game, kiosk, or at any type of event. So go out there and handle it. Use that golden nugget, all right? Golden nugget.